I'll check it. Wait, 1 second. Okay, this is 9. This one I'll take it as 2. Let me save. Priority 2. Priority should be 5, no? Completed thread should be, second thread should be completed first. Why? Because I am giving high priority to second thread. But why it is showing completed thread is 1 and its priority is 2. First it's completing 1. Okay, then it is completing 2. 1 second, we'll see. Class my thread extends thread. Count I gave. Public void run equal to 0. Let me give some more numbers. Count plus plus. Okay, system dot thread current thread dot get name, get priority. Okay, I close this. Then class prior public static void main. My thread created an object and I am passing the thread name here, referring to the my current thread class. Okay, I created 2 objects like that. What is the problem? My thread T1 dot set priority 2. Priority number is 2. T2 priority I gave norm priority. Norm priority means it should take 5. Its value is 5. T1 dot start, T2 dot start. My output should be first, second thread should be executed. Now it's showing, see, like this. Second thread should be executed first. Okay, so here the thing is, 2 threads are counting the numbers from 1 to 1000. So the task of the thread is counting the numbers. I started 2 threads. Okay, I started 2 threads. So even though the first thread is starting, so even though I have started T1 first thread, but T2 is getting executed first. Why? Because the thread is with priority number 5 is completing counting first. So priority number 5 I gave for second thread. So it is completing the counting first, even though I have started, which one I have, even though I have started T1. So even though I have started T1 first, you can observe that second thread is getting completed first. Okay, then only the first thread. So here you see my task of the thread is counting the numbers from 1 to 1000. So the thread with priority number is completing the counting first, even it has been started later. So you got that T2 start, I gave it later. So even though it started later, and than the first thread. So first thread is given priority number 2, second thread is given priority number 5. Priority 5 is, how do I tell it priority number 5 is norm I'm giving, no. When I give norm priority, it is equivalent to 5. So even though I have started T2 later, T2 is getting executed first. Why? Because it's higher priority. The priority is number is 5 here. You can see what I did in this. My task of threads is counting the numbers for 1000 times. Counting the numbers from 1000 times is my task. That's my task. 2 thread created. So you know that every thread is an individual part of a process, of a program. So every thread is an individual process in a program, and every thread is performing its own task. Every thread will perform its own task. So here I created multiple threads. 2 threads I have created. Objects for the thread class, refer to this class. I'm passing some name here. So this will pass. So inside the constructor, you give some name here. It will pass that name. Okay, referring to that my current thread, referring to the current thread class. So 1 and 2 I gave. Now I have give set priority method name. T1 dot set priority. It is taking one integer value. It can take only one parameter. That is an integer value. So I gave 2 So the number I gave is 2 here. Okay, T2 dot set priority, the number given is equivalent to 5. I give variable here, non-priority, min priority, max priority. If it is non-priority, the value is 5. So this means this is equivalent to 5. Then I started T1. T1 is started first, T2 is started second. But T2 is getting executed first. Why? Because threads are concurrently running concurrently. So T1 is getting started, it's completing first. Why? Because the higher priority the priority number I gave is higher here, it is 5. So when you run the code, it will call this run method. Inside this loop, you are counting the numbers. So counting is done, and so it is counting from 1 to 1000. So which thread is completed first? Simultaneously, threads are executed. Which thread is completed first? I want to print that name. So obviously, second thread will be completed first. Why? Because you give high priority. JVM will be giving more time for that, and will be completing its execution earlier than the other thread. Okay, so here this thread will be shown. Thread number 2. Thread name is 2, and its priority is 5. So that is the output you see. Thread 2. Okay, then thread 1. So its priority number it is showing 5 and 2. So this is about thread priority. Let me give 9 here. Let me give high priority to this one first. So thread 1 should complete first. So thread 1, so completed thread 1, its priority number is 5. Then completed thread 2, its priority is 5. But non-priority means it is 5. So this is thread concept. So next class I will tell you what is the synchronization and what is deadlock with examples. We shall see with some examples what is synchronization and deadlock. So these threads are completed. Even synchronization and deadlock also comes under thread concept only. We will discuss that. Okay, you practice these two programs. Okay, then I'll end the class. This is completed. We'll practice this. We'll meet in the next class.